In October last year, Vice President Chiwenga's explosive 25-page dossier presented to President Emmerson Mnangagwa before a crucial Politburo meeting was first leaked to the news house, which then shared it with Zim Live and other media platforms, revealing further deepening divisions within the ruling ZANU-PF, while saying the president was behind the 2030 campaign to extend his rule by 2 years. The news house. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. It also said Mnangagwa's political and business cronies were engaged in systematic industrial scale looting, plundering $3.2 billion and in the process siphoning proceeds from Sakunda Holdings, which it claims was 45% owned by the ruling party. The report warned that Mnangagwa's actions were fueling an intense succession power struggles within the ruling party, similar to the events which culminated in the removal of the late President Robert Mugabe in 2017, portending a possible coup. The Zimbabwe's ruling party have a hidden fuel company stake. Elected financial records partially support Vice President Chiwenga's implicit claim that profits have been diverted away from Sakunda C shareholders. In 2017, Chiwenga, as a head of the Zimbabwe Armed Forces, led the military coup which brought President Emmerson Mnangagwa to power and won Chiwenga the vice presidency. The two have since fallen out and are fighting over Mnangagwa's apparent desire to stay in office for an unconstitutional third term. Vice President Chiwenga's allegations in September 2025, Chiwenga brought the fight to the ZANU-PF Politburo, one of the party's highest decision-making bodies. Vice President submitted a dossier alleging that criminals surrounding the president were corrupting the ruling party. The document obtained by Zim Live contained an explosive allegations concerning fuel giant Sakunda Holdings and its partial owner Bulawayo, a close ally of Mnangagwa and rumored to be rival candidate to Chiwenga to succeed the president. Sakunda's joint venture with commodity trading giant Trafigura sold fuel worth 600 million and 800 million each year from 2014 to 2017, while from 2016 to 2019, Sakunda received over 1 billion in public funds to buy seed and fertilizer in the controversial Command Agriculture Program. Specifically, Chiwenga complained of the stealing and concealment by kudakwashe. Toma developments alipopangwa inawekana kwa section medos of mura any more kulipa msongo chiri kwa ichi. Subscribe or like up on the bell icon.